Hey Wanderers! Today, we have some more theme park fun for you at the famous movie world on the Gold Coast. And we're about to experience the legendary Wild West Falls ride. This classic water ride takes us on a wild journey through the Old West with plenty of twists, turns, and a splashy finale. Here's a fun fact. Wild West Falls is one of the most iconic rides here at Movie World. It first opened back in 1998, and can you believe that the ride's final drop is a heart-pounding 20 metres? It's going to be epic. Make sure to hold on tight and get ready for a wet and wild experience. And hey, if you're new here or haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the Wanderers channel for more exciting adventures from all around the world. All right, Wanderers, it's time for the main event. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride with us. Let's go.
We are federales. You know, mounted police. You got the police wearing a badge.
Yeah, no.
Ay, caramba! Look